Hi everybody and welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is all about the quick tips for the Swan. Quick tips Swan tutorial. Swan happens to be one of my most favorite exercises in the repertoire also, amongst all the other ones that I love. So without further ado, let's get started. But this is not for you if you've got any back issues going on today. Do not do this with me if you have any back issues going on, okay? All right, deal? All right, let's go. Now, if you are a big baby like me, you're going to want to put some support on your rung if you complain about your feet being painful whenever you do these exercises. Okay, that's what it's there for. But if you're okay, you're good, don't use it. It's fine. All right, without further ado, let's get ourselves set up.
Right then, so your feet are going to go onto the bottom rung, heels together, toes apart. Now you really need to anchor your feet into the rungs, right? They're not just resting there, you're actually energizing through the feet. Then we'll drape ourselves over the barrel. You're not hanging out here, keeping the whole body energized. We're going to scoop the abdominals in and up away from the barrel, shoulders into your back. We'll lift up to a high diagonal. Now watch what I do with my ribs. Support the ribs, keep the shoulders into the back, then come to the ceiling, to the sky. Okay, and shoot out to the high diagonal. Again, support those ribs, shoulders into your back. Don't lose the connection with the feet into the rung as you reach back to the ceiling. Okay, keep rooting and anchoring through my feet even though I'm reaching forward. I'm going to scoop them round and bend my knees as I round over the barrel. Like now, you're not just going to drop onto the barrel. You're not just going to relax and collapse. No, control yourself, and roll over the barrel. We're going to go again. Abdominals in and up. Okay, so I'm not just hanging over the barrel, I'm engaged. My feet are pressing and anchoring into the rung. I lift to the high diagonal. Okay, support the ribs. All right, so I'm not just hanging out. Up to the ceiling, shoot the legs out, hug the midline strongly. Again, I see my legs are straight and strong, and I'm gonna reach back. Now look at that little micro adjustment if you noticed. It's really easy to continue to bend the knees as you go back. So you're gonna try to hug your midline nice and strong, round over the barrel, and there we go. All right, let's talk about the breath. Abs in and up. Shoulders into your back. Okay, here's the inhale. Extend, exhale to the sky. Reach forward, inhale, exhale, reach back. Inhale, shoot forward, find the length, find the space, find the grace. And exhale, round down with control over the barrel. Let's do it again. Inhale, reach forward, exhale to the back. Inhale, reach forward, find the space, find the grace, go back. Now look, I'm gonna look for a little bit extra here, but if you're gonna do that with me, please do not hang out into your back. So we're gonna reach forward, round down with as much control as we can over the barrel, and I think that is enough. See you later, bye. Okay, for this one's a little bit like a spinal wave meets a swan, and it's inspired by Pilates Ram on Instagram, so shout out for the inspiration for this one. Okay, so here's the spinal wave, right? I'm leading with the crown of my head. I'm expanding and opening through my chest and my sternum, space and grace as usual. I'm not hanging out in my back, actually. My feet are very active. I'm folding and draping over the barrel, and here's my legs are active, right? I lead with my head, I come up, I open through the chest, I open through the sternum, my abs are in and up. I'm not just hanging back, right? So now let's try to flow it a little bit. I go over the barrel, lead with my head, and I wave and I wave and I expand and I open. Indulge in the motion, indulge in the movement. And if you feel like it, you might want to turn to the side, right? So I'm going to come over sideways and come up. I might even turn to the other side because it's fun. Keep the control, keep the connections alive. You might even want to add in some hand movements. Look at that, isn't it fun? Right, so I want you to imagine you're coiling and rippling through the spine. I also like to imagine I have a spine going down the front of my body. So as I come over like here, I'm rolling down. I'm trying to articulate through the imaginary spine, through the front of my body, and diving over. And just enjoy it. So I'm going for a little bit of freestyle here, just because it just feels so good. I literally could do this all day long. Okay, so shortly we're going to be turning it, or I'm going to be demonstrating how to do it the opposite direction, which is quite a nice thing to do when you're flowing. If you can come in and out of forwards, backwards, sideways. As you can see here, I'm peeling my way off the barrel, then I'm going to drape myself back over it. I'm still really using my connection to the rung with my feet. And I'm going to lift over. I'm not collapsing over the barrel, I'm controlling myself and then peeling back. So enjoy this, have loads of fun. And I look forward to seeing you in another video sometime soon. Make sure you stretch your back out after that one. See you later. Bye.